Okay, so I get off the bike and I just happen to look down. This was wedged in between something and something. This was the case for my GPS. Hello, boys and girls. Hello. Is the sound working? I don't know. I hope so. But anyway, here we are on Sugar, who just got a bath, so she's all pretty. Even gave her a little wax job, so she's even prettier. And this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous day. Not a cloud in the sky. Look at that. Gorgeous. And we are out and about. We are going places today. We are doing things. We are going to mingle with the masses. We're going to engage with everyone. Look at looky things. And maybe buy some things that require cash. We'll see. But here we are out and about on this glorious day. Oh, lovely, lovely day. And I will tell you where we are going in a momento. First things first, we have to get fuel. We have to feed the beast. Sugar's thirsty. So what am I doing today? Today, I am going down to Myrtle Beach Bike Week. I didn't quite make it last year because traffic was absolutely abysmal. And I was kind of late anyway, but nope. I am actually headed down there today. Murrell's Inlet and probably Harley Davidson North and Harley Davidson South. So we'll see. But first, we got to get there. And that's the process. It takes roughly an hour and 15 minutes to get there. An hour if the traffic is agreeable. An hour and a half if it's not. But anyway, here we are on our way to Myrtle Beach Bike Week. So let's do the super fast thing so you don't have to see all of this crap. Do I stop here? I don't know. If I stop here at Harley Davidson, here Seabreeze Harley Davidson, I will spend an hour or two here, and then that'll kill my trip down to Myrtle Beach. So we won't do that. But they got a lot of cool stuff going on probably, right? Looks like they do. All right, warp speed, engage. All right, Murrell's Inlet, this is where we are. And what's interesting is I've been to Murrell's Inlet before, but I've never been down this far. So this will be interesting. It's very nice here. Fish Club, Inlet Prohibition Company, Nance's. Nothing going on there. Saw quite a few bikes on the way down. But you know, going highway speeds, what do you expect? River City Cafe. Mikey's Pizza. House and Seafood. Inlet Shipwreck Bar and Grill. Crazy Sister Maria. Wicked Tea Grill Sushi Bar. Uncle Tito's Bar and Grill. The Claw House. Dead Dog Saloon. Twister Soft Serve. I like that. Creek Rats. Alright. Bubba's Love Shack. Peter's Bar and Grill. Drunken Jack's. Wahoo's Fish House. Drippy's. Bovine's Wood-Fired Specialties. Well, I'll tell you what. Oh, McIsley's Tavern. Okay. Yeah, I tell you what, man. If you go hungry while you're down here, it's your own fault. Deets Creek House. Okay. Back Home. Coastal Buffet. Okay. My wife and I almost bought a house down here. The downside is it was right next to a bar. I mean, you could actually probably reach through the window and grab a bowl of sugar if you wanted to. That's how close it was. So we're coming up to, look at the Inlet Crab House. Okay. Coming up to the Beaver Bar. Barnacle Bill's up ahead. Now, I usually pull into the Beaver Bar and wander around there because they usually have a huge expo. So here we are, Myrtle Beach Bike Week. Quite the crowd of bikes, as you can see. This is just in one parking lot. Just one. So let's go in and check things out. I'm kind of thirsty and I'm kind of hungry, so food! Okay, so I get off the bike and I just happen to look down. This was wedged in between something and something. This was the case for my GPS. Let's go. So I'm done walking around down here by the beaver bar and suck, bang, blow, and took lots of video. Now I'm gonna, I learned, well, I met a high school buddy here, and he tells me that the rally is back at Barefoot Landing, which is cool. So I'll just head up there. I don't know if I'm gonna make, yeah, well, maybe we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, how do I get out of here now? And now we deal with the traffic. Lovely. Lovely, I tell you. I'm in no hurry. Not at all.
One eternity later.
All right, now we're at Barefoot Landing. They brought it back here. It was here, then it left, and then it's back. So let's look around. Similar stuff. But I don't believe Wild Ass Seats is here. I think Craig said he wasn't gonna come back here. Okay. So that's it for this side. Let's go over to the other side now. I think the vendor layout here used to be bigger. I don't know. At least they're back, I guess.
Eventually.
Well, that's that for that. All right, it's time to just frickin' head on home. I've, you know, pretty much seen pretty much everything that I could see, and you know, didn't want to bore you guys anymore than I needed to. So anyway. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make it a huge thumbs up if you could. And don't forget to subscribe down below and comment, because you know I always respond. And that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. So peace out. And of course, as always, the usual.